Hello dear students, in this video we will do our chapter number 7 in your Discovering English book. The chapter name is Hansel and Gretel. It is a story of two brother and sister, Hansel and Gretel, who were abandoned in a forest where they met a witch who lived into a house which was made of gingerbread, cake and pastries. So now let's start the chapter. There is a great famine, it means drought, in the country, and woodcutter's family is starving. His wife suggests to take their kids. They are his and his late first wife's children. Hansel and Gretel, they were the children from woodcutter's first wife. So they had now their stepmother into the woods, so they would have two hungry mouths less to feed. So now what the woodcutter and his wife did, the stepmother, they because there was a famine in the state or in that country, so they decided that they will leave their children in the woods so that they would have two hungry mouths less to feed, so they did not have to feed those children. Now after some hesitation he agrees and they leave kids in the wood. Now Hansel and Gretel heard about the plan and return home thanks to the stone Hansel was using to mark the path. But at the next attempt, Hansel can't load his pockets with stones because the doors were locked. Instead, the stones he used bread crumbs, but they are also eaten by the birds. So the woodcutter and his wife succeeded, and children were lost in the woods. So they were lost into the woods. Next, they find a mysterious hut made of sweets. Now in the woods, what they found a hut made of sweets. There is a witch living inside. So there lived a witch inside that hut. She is a cannibal. Cannibal means someone who eats human being and intends to eat them. So what was her intention? She also wanted to eat Hansel and Gretel. Now, but they are too lean because those kids were too lean, thin, because they had no food to eat. It was a famine in the country. So she decided to feed Hansel first, using Gretel as a slave, and for some time, children managed to postpone their tragic end. Now, she decided to eat Hansel first, and she decided to keep Gretel as a slave. So children managed to postpone their tragic end, as the witch had decided to eat them because she was a cannibal. Now witch has very poor sight, so she is checking Hansel's fat by pinching his finger. Instead of the finger, he gives her a chicken bone, what postpones his death for a few days. Now, finally, the witch prepares an oven and plans to bake both kids. Fortunately, Gretel outsmarts her and throws the witch in her oven, where she burned. Now, kids search the hut, find gold, jewelry, and other valuables, and with the help of some birds safety return home. Their stepmother died in the meantime, and together with their regretful father they lived happily ever after. So this was it in this chapter. I hope you understood. Thank you so much.